Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question asked in GATE 2024. In this question it is said that in this network shown below, maximum power is to be transferred to the load RL will be. So the value of RL in ohm has been asked. As we can see in this circuit, here is a dependent voltage source is connected, and this voltage source Vx will be dependent on the value of the voltage across 3 ohm resistance. So let us see how can we solve it. For the solution of this question, first of all, we will remove this RL and we will calculate RTH of this circuit. After calculation of the Thevenin resistance, as we know that maximum power will be transferred to this RL load when this RL value will be equal to the Thevenin's resistance of the circuit. Here we can see dependent voltage source is connected, so we will apply test method, means a test voltage source will be connected here and I test current will flow from this V test voltage source. RTH will be equal to V test upon I test. We have applied here V test voltage source across RL and RL is removed from the circuit, and we will assume that I test will current flow from this V test voltage source. Independent voltage source will be replaced by short circuit. If there is a independent current source in the circuit, then it will be removed by open circuit. As here we can see, here 50 volt independent voltage source was given, so it is short circuited. Now we will apply nodal analysis here and try to calculate V test upon I test. We have also seen that for simplification of our question, we can assume test voltage source will be equal to 1 volt. So here we have assumed V test is equal to 1 volt. We have assumed this node 2 is grounded, so here it is grounded, this node 2 is grounded. If we apply nodal analysis at node 1, then we can see that by using KCL at this node, current in this branch will be equal to V test minus Vx upon 2 plus voltage across this branch will be equal to V test. So V test upon sum of these resistances 2 plus 3, this will be the current flowing in this branch, minus this I test is coming towards this node, so it will be in negative sign, minus I test equal to 0. Now if we rearrange this equation, then this equation 1 can be find out, that is 7 minus 10 Vx minus 10 I test is equal to 0. Here in this equation we have put V test is equal to 1 volt, so this equation is achieved. As we can see that RTH can be calculated as V test upon I test. So V test is assumed here 1 volt. So we have to calculate 1 upon I test for calculation of RTH. If we calculate Vx in this circuit, then total voltage across this 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistance is V test. This V test voltage will applied along this branch. So using voltage divider rule, Vx will be equal to resistance at which voltage need to be find out, that is 3 ohm whole upon sum of the resistances 3 plus 2 into total voltage across this resistance into V test, that will be equal to 3 upon 5 volt. We will put V test is equal to 1 volt here. Now we put Vx value in this equation number 1, then I test can be find out 1 upon 10 ampere. As we have calculated I test value, so RTH value can be calculated as RTH equal to 1 upon I test, that is equal to 10 ohm. So for maximum power transfer, RL value will be equal to RTH value, so its value is 10 ohm. So it is the answer of our question.